The fact that El Salvador was able to turn on the laser eyes across South and Central America should not be lost.
I didn't want to interrupt you when you were on your
diatribe
there. Yeah, Bitcoin hit 43K while you were talking there. Some people are freaking out.
Stop trying to day trade.
You don't seem worried.
Not only am I not worried, I'm about to pull up and I might go buy some.
You should buy an extra $30 worth whale.
Maybe I crashed the price this morning. Who knows? It hit 43,000?
Yeah.
Wow. I wish
It's already
I
back
wasn't
up to
talking.
It's already back up to 46.
Somebody just bought a lot of Bitcoin. Good for them. I wish that I had been paying attention. I could have bought some.
Could have bought some more.
What do you guys think about El Salvador?
I think it's good, right? Like one of the things I thought was interesting was the idea that every citizen can get $30 worth of Bitcoin when they download the Chivas app. So I was looking it up earlier, and the average citizen takes home after taxes about $400 to $450 per month. So $30 is significant enough to where they're actually going to go and download it, I think. To be determined kind of what percentage of people actually go and do this and who uses it for payments. We obviously see that businesses are ready, right? McDonald's is obviously ready and people are already using it as a means of exchange there. So now it's really just convincing a bunch of citizens to go out, download the app, start using it in their everyday lives. And I think what we'll see over time is like people will realize how easy it is. So you see these videos pop up, whether it's on Bitcoin Beach or kind of different businesses, whether it's in El Salvador or not. It's actually very, very easy to transact if everything's set up appropriately. So I think when people download the app, they may do it at first just to go and get that $30 of Bitcoin, right? Because it's significant enough to them from a financial standpoint to go and actually get the money. And then secondly, I think when they go to use Bitcoin as a medium of exchange, they're going to realize that it's much easier than they would have expected. And as the price obviously not right now in the last 10 or 15 minutes, but if the price continues to appreciate over time, they're going to see their purchasing power increase, which they are not used to, and is going to be another means for them to continue to use it as a currency. So I think it's good. I think the incentive that they're using to get them to download their app in the wallet and use Bitcoin is good, and it's smart because they'll actually go out and do it. And then it's just kind of chugging along and making sure that they continue to implement ways for people to use it, make it easy to transact with and everything like that. And I think over time, kind of the percentage of the population in El Salvador that uses it will pick up.
John, what do you think?
Kelly's a legend for his Twitter antics last night. I loved it. Live feed of what the country's doing personally. I don't think it's very surprising that the country bought Bitcoin. Right? They're clearly heavily invested in the innovation that Bitcoin can provide. And I think we're going to see it going forward that more countries, if not have already done it, will look at Bitcoin as a way to put it on their like Federal Reserve sheet or whatever it is.
They're going to buy much more than 400 Bitcoin, right?
Way more.
Yeah.
They are starting with $150 million worth of Bitcoin.
Oh, that's what they said? Okay.
Yeah. So maybe they just picked up a little bit right there, but who knows? But they're buying.
So they already had $150 million?
No, they have they have 21 million right now, right after the 400. So that's 8 to 10 times more they're going to be purchasing at least.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
He's probably buying right now.
I mean, maybe. Who knows? If you think, oh, breaking news! The president just tweeted.
What'd he say?
Wow.
I'm buying. Is that what he said?
Buying the dip. 150 new coins added. Wow. Wow. You know what that deserves? What? There's only one thing that you have to tweet when somebody tweets something like that, showing up to the Bitcoin scene and just starts tweeting immediately saying buying the dip.
He's going to light the internet on fire, this guy.
I just retweeted it with goat emojis. The president of El Salvador just said, buying the dip, wink face, 150 new coins added, hashtag Bitcoin day. What an entry price. Yeah. Absolutely aping into Bitcoin. Wallet falls. Look at that. The best business show. We are all over it. 1 minute ago he tweeted, and your boys already got it on the screen. If that doesn't deserve a like and a subscribe, I don't know what else does. This is the future of where this is all going. Price wants to move, no problem. Nation states are literally buying the Bitcoin dip. What else do you want? Are you not entertained yet? Like, Jesus. This is where the world is moving because it is a decentralized, programmatic, transparent monetary policy. And when you start to understand what this nation is doing, when you start to understand that they are simply saying, this is also legal tender. We have the US dollar. The dollar is good for a lot of things. But we also now have a global store of value that no one can devalue. It is incredible to watch that happen. What other president? The president of the United States, all of them, regardless of what office they come from or what party they come from, they don't know how to tweet this fast. Even Trump, who literally built his presidency on Twitter, he couldn't tweet this fast. Literally, making nation-state decisions on purchases of Bitcoin as the price falls in real time. Oh, wait.
Oh, we got more
another
updates.
tweet. It appears the discount is ending. Thanks for the dip, IMF News. We saved $1 million in printed paper. El Salvador now holds 550 Bitcoin. What a legend. What a legend. He's trolling the IMF while buying the Bitcoin dip. We are watching the first president of a nation state to buy Bitcoin in real time saying, we saved $1 million in printed paper. El Salvador now owns 550 Bitcoin. Thanks for the dip at IMF.
Where else do you get this kind of content on the internet? This is awesome.
I'm going to look up what CNBC is talking about right now.
Oil prices.
Hey, CNBC is a partner of the Best Business Show. We've outsourced our research to them. They're fantastic.
Fine,
we
I'll pick
really
someone
appreciate them. The crazy part about this is what? Say it.
They're talking about the wage gap in tech companies right now. The wage gap in tech. Sorry.
You want to know what the wage gap is? It's Bitcoin and everything else, baby.
It appears tweets from the president of
In real time.
yeah.
How long ago was this one? Oh, we can't see. It was 3 minutes ago. I mean, Bukele, if you want to tweet stuff, just send it to us before you tweet it next time. Like, we don't even need to wait till that. Look, in all seriousness, this is absolutely ridiculous that we are watching a nation state in real time, literally in real time, buy Bitcoin. Do we think he's doing it on his cell phone?
Yes, it's from my phone.
Oh, he's tweeting from his cell phone. Yes, the president of a country is tweeting from his iPhone, probably underneath the desk during a meeting, saying, thanks for the dip at IMF.
I love how he's got the hashtags. He's ready to go.
Yeah. Oh, man.
We saved $1 million in printed paper.
Are we going to start doing this? Hold on, Matt. I'm going to send you this. Can you pull this up real quick? Mackenzie Collins, I'm assuming that he is watching right now, just sent me a meme and said, this is what Pomp thinks is happening this morning in El Salvador. And he's got a just unreal meme that is going through here. Is this what's happening in El Salvador? Is this what's happening?
He's, price went down.
I mean, what's up, guys? Bang, bang. Thanks so much for watching the Best Business Show today. If we're going to be the best business show, we obviously need the best partner. That's why the exclusive sponsor of the Best Business Show is SoFi. They're an all-in-one platform that allows you to invest in all kinds of different assets, including stocks, ETFs, crypto, IPOs, and they even have an automated investing function, if that's your thing. So before we start getting after it again, make sure that you go download SoFi, you get an invest account, and when you make your first crypto trade, regardless of what you buy, they'll give you $10 in Bitcoin for free. It's that simple. Head on over to SoFi.com/pomp to get started today. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you come back and watch more of the Best Business Show tomorrow.